Here's a Corona Model 4 typewriter made in the 20s. It's maroon in color. I waxed it, so it looks nice and clean now. The only thing it's missing is the platen knob on this side. I need to get a platen knob for it. Here's the keyboard. Here's the other side. Now let me get the case out of the way. There's the back side. It says Corona. I put a new ribbon in it. Well, it's not new. It's from the 70s, but it was unopened. It's pretty dried out. The spacebar has a crack in it right here, which I'm not too concerned about. If anybody knows where I could get a platen knob, let me know. There you got your carriage release, bell, paper fingers, the spacing on this typewriter. You got 1 and 2 spacing. I find kind of neat. The return lever goes up and down for spacing. That's in 1, lift up, and 2. Got your ribbon spool covers, they come off. There you go. You got your red, black, and stencil, and that, every time you hit a key, that bounces up or down. Get that back on. And so, that is the video.